How to create page on Facebook Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page using the Facebook Lite app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook Lite app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now here, once you are on the menu section, simply scroll down and there you can see different options. From there, you can simply tap on pages. And this section will show you all the pages that you have already created or followed. Now here, to make a new one, simply tap on create button, and once you tap on create, just hit get started. And first you need to enter your page name. This could be your brand, business, or personal name. And once you're done with that, simply tap next, and here on the next page simply choose a category. For example, product, service, blogger, or local businesses, or you can even add more than one if needed. And once you're done with that, simply tap on next. And now here on the next page, if you have a website, you can enter it here. If not, then you can simply skip this step. And now you'll get the option to add a profile picture or cover photo. Here you can simply tap the plus icon to upload from your gallery, or you can simply skip this for now and add them later. And here once you're done, you can just tap on done or create page, and that's it. Your Facebook page is now live and you can go ahead and start posting, inviting people to like it, customize it further from the settings. And there you have it. That's how you can create a Facebook page using the Facebook Lite app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.